Third, yes, blood relations, very powerful topic. You can take any competitive exam. Blood relations is a very powerful topic. If it is banking exam, we'll have 5 marks, right? That's why don't lose. My intention is what you need to understand the basic concepts of blood relations. Of course, we'll have 3 to 4 models. Okay. Before going to that, you have to watch the basic videos of, introduction part of blood relations. So according to that, you can connect to this particular question. Even though I'll give basic concepts of blood relations. Don't worry. Okay, always we need to observe the situations. For an example, we need to concentrate on the I candidate. I means what? I means what? The exam writer, right? Who are writing the exam. Okay, I. If I has father, we need to take upside. Father means what? Parents. Parents should be top of him. Okay. If you have grandfathers, those should be on top of parents, right? If you have children, they will be downside. Okay, this is the basic concept. If you have grandson, it should be downside of your son. I is the person. I parents will be upside. I grandparents will be above parents. Simple concept. The same way, if you have children, downside. If you have grandchildren, again downside. Upside always before generation. So downside always your generation. This is a basic concept of blood relations. If you have brothers, brothers means what? Same age candidates, right? We need to observe them with the help of arrow mark. Okay, we need to observe them with the help of arrow mark. They should be beside you only. Okay, if you have, of course, you will have a wife or husband, right? So whenever you have spouse, that should be left side or right side, whatever. But we need to put into mark. The into mark gives the spouse relation. Arrow mark will give brother or sister relation. Okay, those candidates should be beside you only. Okay, if you have children and grandchildren, downside. If you have parents and grandparents, upside to you. Basic concept. Okay, if I have, for an example, if I have a father, father means what? We need to take plus symbol. But because male will give plus, male gender will be indicated by plus symbol. If you have mother, mother is nothing but female, female, that's why we need to put negative sign. Plus will give male, minus will give female. To understand the basic concept of gender, I will give a clue like this. The question will indicate you I. The question will indicate I. I. Parents will be upside, grandparents will be again upside. Children will be downside, grandchildren will be again downside. Whenever you have brothers and sisters, beside we should have. Spouse will be beside. Spouse will be indicated by into. Okay, in cross symbol. Brothers and sisters will be indicated by arrow marks. This is the basic concept we have. Right? Whenever you have male, for example, father. Father, we need to give plus symbol. Mother, we need to give minus. Okay, for female, put minus. For males, put plus. It will be very easy to understand the basic concept of information. Okay, now you can go for the question. Always remember one thing. I upside will be before generations, I downside will be after generation. And what about beside stories? Spouse and as well as brother and sisters, siblings. Spouse and as well as siblings. This is the basic concept about blood relations concept. Blood relation story, right? And now I can go for the question here. Don't confuse. Observe the question. A family consists of 6 members. P, Q, R, X, Y, and Z. Of course, we have 6 members. What are they? P, Q, R, X, Y, Z. So, according to the given information, we need to realize the relation between them. That's it. We have 6 persons, right? A, B, P, Q, R, and X, Y, Z. This is the basic concept we have. So, no problem at all. Now, I can go for the first statement. Q is the son of R. First sentence is very good. Q is the son of R. Q is the son of R means what? Q will be downside, R will be upside, right? Yes, the basic concept, don't confuse. Q is the son of R. R will be upside. But unfortunately, we don't know the gender of R. But we have Q gender, right? Son. Son means what? Take place. For your comfort only. Son means take place. Yes, Q has gender, he is son. But I don't know the R gender. Q is the son of R, that's why R will be parent. But I don't know the gender of R, right? Yes, we can realize it. Q is the son of R, but R is not mother. Oh, Q is the son of R, but R is not mother. Logically, R will be father, right? That's it. Plus, make it simple. Don't make it as complicated. Okay, fine. Now I can go for the second sentence. Is there any confusion in this sentence? Q is the son of R, but R is not the mother. Lastly, R will be father. Simple. Okay. Of course, basic level. I think HBA clerk level question. You not to worry. Now I can go for the second sentence. What is the second sentence? P and R are married. P and R married. Already we have R. P and R married means what? P will be the spouse of R, right? Logically, P will be the spouse of R. P plus or minus. Married means logically minus, right? Don't confuse me. P and R married. Logically, R is male. P will be female. Logically, P and R the parents of Q. Basic story. Don't confuse. Okay. Next one. Y is the brother of R. Okay. Y is the brother of R. Y is the brother. Logically, Y has gender. Male. Okay. He is the brother of R, right? That's why the siblings and as well as brother and sister should be beside to him, right? Logically, I put here. What is his name? Y. Yes. I can give arrow mark. What is the reason behind it? If I put arrow mark, siblings. If I put into mark, spouse. That's it. So Y will be male or female? Y will be male. That's why plus. What is the reason behind it? Clearly saying that Y is the brother of R. Y is the brother means male of what? R. Simple concept. Okay, next. X is the daughter of P. Oh, X is the daughter of P. Already P is the mother of Q, even though X is the daughter of whom? P. Okay. X is the daughter means again downside only. Daughter. X is the daughter, but we need to put minus. Why? Because daughter means below gender, right? It's a minus. Okay, fine. X is the daughter of P. I have a small question. X is the daughter of P. Then what is the relation between Q and X? Siblings. Brother and sister. That is another issue. Why? Because for Q we love father and mother. In the same way, for X we love mother and also father. Actually, they both are siblings. Simple concept. If you want, you can put your relation also. That is another issue. Siblings. Okay? In between Q and X, we love sibling story. Clear cut story. Okay? Next, Z is the brother of P. Oh, Z is the brother of P. Already P. She is our, not our Q. Q, mother will be P, but P has brother also. Who is he? Z. That's why I put arrow mark. It will be easy to understand. Z should be plus. That's it. Okay. Now we need to understand the basic concept of this story. R and P are the parents. R and P will have two children. Who are they? Q and X. Q will be the son. For P and R, I am discussing about only P and R. Q is the son and as well as X is the daughter. Okay. Now I need to know the exact relation between R and Y. R and Y are brothers. R and P, spouse. Okay. If I go for the relation between R and Z, very simple. R will be, or else Z will be the brother-in-law of R, right? Yes or no? Why brother-in-law? Why brother-in-law? R's wife's brother. That's logically brother-in-law. This is the basic story we have. Now I need to go for the exact question. Question number 1. Who is the brother-in-law of R? Very simple. Who is the brother-in-law of R? Who is the brother-in-law of R? R brother-in-law will be Z. Why? Because R spouse will be P. His brother will be Z. Logically, the relation between R and Z will be brother-in-law. Simple. In-law. According to law, there will be a relation, right? Yes. Z will be the brother-in-law. First question answer. Z will be the brother-in-law of R. Okay. If I go for second question. How many female members are there in the family? How many female members are there? P and X. These are the two female members, right? That's it. Answer is what? 2. Of course, very easy question, but don't confuse. Next, I will go for the third question. Which of these pair of brothers? Pair of brothers, okay. Which of these is a pair of brothers? Okay. We need to find the exact options. P and X. No. P will be here, X will be here. Not possible. Why? Because mother and daughter, right? We don't know. If I go for P and Z, just observe it now. P and Z. What is the relation between P and Z? Sister and brother, right? Not possible. So I need to go for next option. That is what? Q and X. Brother and sister. But we want only pair of brothers, right? Logically pair of brothers means logically Y and R only. R and Y, brothers. Simple question. Of course, it is very easy question. But to develop your basic thought process, I will discuss this particular question. But if you go for next question, this is a very powerful question. Observe it more. Understand it clearly. Try to give the answer with your own intelligence. Okay. After that, I think today evening I'll give you the solutions for these questions also. But you need to realize one point. What is that point? In our particular course, below build introduction part, just understand it. Of course, below YouTube also. In your YouTube, we have released the introduction class. I think so. Just observe it. Okay. After observing the particular story of blood relations, you can crack the particular question. It will be easy. I think so. Okay. Whatever. For any competitive exam, this is very powerful topic. Don't lose it.